Today we're going to do marble eggs with nail polish.
Why marble?
Because it looks like marble. Look. Okay? For this project, we need blowed out eggs. It's empty inside. You also need a drying tray. For making this tray, you can also check out the video before. You need some oil-based nail polish. The water-based nail polish doesn't work very well for this project. And a tray of water. Make sure you use the tray that you don't need anymore because it will look like this afterwards. You can see Noan already made a pattern. After you make pattern, you will need to dip the egg in. Be sure to wear gloves when you do this step. We need to dip colors, make the patterns first. While making this, it's better to put it on a tray, on a piece of napkins, because the nail polish, after it dries, it's hard to clean out.
No.
I'm just putting random colors here to show you guys how it works. You see, different brands react differently. Some dissolves more, some dissolves less. Now you can also use toothpick
To do what?
to mix the colors.
I want to mix my color.
You can do half at a time. After this dries, you can do another half. We did first half. When it dries, we'll do another half. You don't want to put too much nail polish. It needs to be a thin layer on the water. Now, if you want to make the surface bigger, you can just pull them to the side.
Mommy, look, this is like 2 eyes.
Yeah, it's cool. Now I'm going to do some patterns with the toothpick. Now you can clean out the rest of the remaining nail polish with the toothpick. Just go around in the water. It just all goes on the toothpick. Now I painted one of the egg with the green nail polish. I want to put some other patterns on it. Let's see how it will turn out.
Eggnog.
Now let's try to dip this in.
This is the smallest one. Go ahead, Chuck.
After this, we're going to let it dry overnight. You can leave it like this. This is the dried one. Or you can glaze it with the transparent nail polish.
I want it to glow, Mommy.
Or this one, I glazed with a pink with sparkle nail polish. Be creative. Try all kinds of colors, combinations, and techniques. Have fun!
I'm gonna do more with this, okay?
Mm-hmm.